Alright guys, welcome back to the second day macro. Hope everyone's doing well. It looks like we've done nothing but consolidate really. We never actually ended up taking out Asia and London.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm going to try longs there guys. Keeping my stop tight. 5 to 8.50. TP1 is going to be at this high here. 601. What the hell happened there? Okay, yeah, it's just taking that high now, so I'm going to move my stop 539.75. Try your stops guys. And then final TP will be at London highs. So aiming for about a 1 to 8. 1 to 8 restore. If ES, for whatever reason, takes that high before NQ does, well, obviously we'll close 3 contracts out and we'll close 80% of our position. Because then we have an SMT. Only reason why we didn't take profit at this high is because it's just too little. There's not much profit that we can secure on that high. Okay, so we're going to be aiming for the next one at buy side, which is the external high. Obviously now, since ES has took that high, we've reduced our risk. So we're risking around 9 handles on this trade. Alright. Fucking hell. Nearly got stopped there. Let's see if this actually decides to go in a direction or not. How do you get that sound that says order filled? Brother, you need Ninja Trader, right? So that's just my broker in the background. Whenever I execute a trade, it will say order filled. I'm not sure why you're trying to get a sound. I'm a bit confused with that question there. But yeah, that's literally just my broker in the background executing the order. It sounds cool. What is this price action, guys? What the fuck? Oh my goodness. I hate these types of trades. Oh my goodness. Should we go to break even? No. Because we can go to break even, but you're very likely to get stopped out. And I want to have that room for the trade to actually breathe. This is a good structure point. If we break below this low, then I would consider this trade to be invalid. I don't really like going break even. I'm not a big fan of it. Alright, get ready here, guys. Once ES takes that buy side liquidity level, I'm going to be closing 80% of my position, so around 3 contracts out. At this point, yeah, I'm going to go break even to 548. Okay, get ready here, guys. Alright, yes, just took that.
Order filled.
Closing 80% there. So that's 48 handles secured. Let's go. W's in the chat. Stops at break even. Right, now we're simply holding to London highs. Right, if we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. Again, if ES takes London highs, I'm going to be closing 100%. I think ES, yeah, so those highs there on ES, once those get taken, I'm going to be closing out fully. Try my stops as well. Let's see if we can get London highs on ES, but the objective has been kind of taken now. We've taken that buy side. I would want to see London and Asia and previous daily high get swept as well, but we'll see if we get it or not. But you should be out around 80% here, guys. 80% should be out. So there's literally, for most people, if they're trading one contract, you should be fully out at this area if you only have one contract. For me, I'm just playing around to see if we can get that final TP. If we can't, I'm not going to be too fussed because I'm already out 8% of my position. Try the stops there, guys. 582. Alright.
Order filled.
I'm out of that. ES just took it, closing 100% now. Let's go, guys. Easy. 60 handle secured. It's too easy. It is simply too easy, guys. All right, let's break this trade down then. So going into the morning, of course, I had a bearish bias. I want to see that daily fair gap get tapped into. However, this 15-minute uni was kind of the telling sign. Once we inversed it, that was kind of my switching bias. So once we inversed this and we kind of disrespected this bearish setup here, I automatically switch my bias to long, right, to target, see buy side, Asia highs and London highs and previous daily high, which on ES is very clean. As you can see, clean equal highs. So anyway, once we displace, we break above the swing high, market structure shift, also break these highs. We create this very clear value gap, come back into a discount, we tap into this gap. Inside a macro, I decided to enter long, and stops were very tight on this as well, literally below this candle was low. Once we had a nice reaction, ES took this high, I trailed my stops to that swing low. I thought I was going to get stopped out, okay? Literally came down, nearly stopped us out by a few ticks. Didn't stop us out, ended up running to TP. Lovely trade. But yeah, anyways guys, hope you lot enjoyed the live stream. Hope you lot made some profits. If you have, send those profits into the chat. But other than that guys, I'll see you lot in tomorrow's live stream. Alright, have a great rest of your day. Take it easy guys.